Hi everyone! So the chicks are now 8 weeks old and I want to give you guys an update on how they're doing. Over the last 2 weekends I put on the hardware cot all around the chicken coop as well as the chicken run. It was a pretty time-consuming project, but I'm very happy that we got it done. Okay, so now let's go into the run and show you guys what the chickens are doing. Chip, 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 chip. This is oregano from our garden. So we've already switched them to the grower feed around like last week. They've also adjusted to the outdoor pretty quickly. At first I was a little worried that they wouldn't know how to get back into their coop, but they actually learned pretty quickly. Okay, one more. Chip, 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 chip. Yum, yum. Okay, very good. This is what Elsa looks like now. She's quite big. Okay, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay, right? And you can see her crown is starting to come out a little bit. You're okay. Okay, put you down. Come, princess. Come. 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 Come, princess. Hi. 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 See how big they are now? They're maybe about, I'd say, 3-4 pounds, I think. Okay. Okay. All right, guys, so that's it for this video, and we will give you guys another update in a few weeks once you're about ready to lay eggs. So see you guys on the next video. Bye.